Oh, you're not plucking my hair anymore. Should I pull my hair out a minute ago? Hello, Kermit. How are you, boy? It's been on my head for about 5 or 10 minutes now. I don't think he's ever been on my head for this long before. Why do I keep getting bloody emails come through whenever I'm recording videos? So annoying. It keeps sliding down my head. Shouldn't be this hard to balance a bird on your head. Oh, here we go again. Feels really weird. It's just pulling my hair out. It's a good thing I've got a lot of hair. Oh, there we go. So he's going to try and want to make a nest with it or something. Again, looking over at Spider-Man as if to say, what do I do, Spider-Man? He's looking at one of his brand new perches. Try and get in the centre of my head, boy. I'll keep having to tilt my head over. Getting a stiff neck from having to balance you. He's like, oh my god, the giant is moving. Oh, ow, ow. Plucking my hair out. Ow, ow. Yeah, that hurts. How would you like it if I plucked your feathers? He's sort of give me a comb over. Feels really weird. It feels really weird. If I wake up later on and I've got a big bald patch in the back, I'm going to be blaming you, boy. You know that. I swear this bird's trying to conspire against me. He's messing with me.